What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to convert 3DM to FBX. It's free, it's fast, let's do it. Just Google 3 decimeters to FBX MiConvert.com and you'll find the converter right at the top. Click on it. Alright, we're on the 3DM to FBX converter now. Love how clean this looks. No ads, no nonsense. Let's upload our file. Click Choose File here. Browse to where your 3DM file is, click on it, and hit Open. That's all you need to do. There it is. File's loaded and looking good. Now, just smash that Convert Now button and let the magic happen. Look at it go. The converter is doing its thing. This is seriously fast. Just watch that progress bar fly. And we're done. That was quick, right? Click Download, and your shiny new FBX file is all yours. Wasn't that easy? Check out MiConvert.com for tons of other converters. Smash that subscribe button. Peace out.